Hey guys, do you know you can remove virus from your laptop without installing any antivirus? Let me show you a simple trick most people ignore. I'm not saying installing an antivirus is not important, especially if you are running an organization or storing sensitive information. But if you don't have one right now, your system already have a built-in software that can help you with that. But before we start, I would love you to like and share with your friends and family so I can post more of this educative video. Welcome back everyone. What we need to do now is to go to our settings. Then once we'll click on the settings, then after that we'll wait for it to load. Then we are going to locate something from this part, which is privacy and security. From this part, then we'll click on it. Then once we click on it there, then we'll click on Windows security. Then we'll tap on it. Then once we tap on it, then we'll click on virus and threat protection and then tap on it. Then after that, we are going to see some option here, quick scan, but we are not clicking on this quick scan. We are actually clicking on this scan option. So we have to click on this scan option. Then after that, there are 4 options from it. We have the quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and Microsoft Defender Antivirus. What we need to click on is that we need to click on this Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Make sure that date is being marked. So then after that, we'll click on scan now. Then after that, we'll click on what? Scan. And that's it. And then we have to wait for 7 to 15 minutes for it to scan. Then after that, it's going to restart by itself, and then every virus that is there is going to remove it manually for you. If the virus still haven't removed after scanning, that means it's been a target software to your system. That's when you can consider installing the trusted antivirus software online. Before you spend your money, try this first. Who's knows, it might save your system and your cash. And please try to follow me and share and like and post in the comment section what you think about this video. And if there's any way you can help, try to put it in the comment section too. Thank you. God bless you all.